What is a gerund in English? A gerund is an instance when a verb is being used in a very particular way as a noun. You can do this by changing the infinitive form of the verb and adding ing at the end. What is a gerund in a sentence? A gerund is a noun made from a verb root plus ing to make a present participle. A whole gerund phrase functions in a sentence just like a noun and can act as subject, an object, or a predicate nominative. How is a gerund used in a sentence? Gerunds function as nouns in the sentence. Typically, a gerund is used as a thing or an idea, and gerunds always end in ing. They can function as subjects, direct objects, objects of the preposition, and predicate nouns. Gerunds can appear by themselves or they can be part of a longer gerund phrase. Examples of gerund. Eating bread is bad for people's health. In this sentence, the word eating is a gerund. George likes photographing nature. In this sentence, photographing is a gerund.